Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best holiday presents that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs is one of the most popular fashion labels in the world that manufactures a variety of high-end products including ready-to-wear clothing, shoes, bags, accessories, watches, beauty and fragrances. Amongst its many famous perfumes is Daisy. It is one of the most demanded perfumes and loved by many, especially the young girls. It is an everyday go-to scent that is light, fresh and sunny, reminding one of a beautiful spring day. This perfume has a light floral scent and is not too overwhelming, neither too sweet nor too strong. It has a fairly good lasting power with a few sprays lasting all day. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill. Charcoal grills are a must in every household. At least once a year, almost all of us have a grill party where we grill juicy meats and vegetables and have fun. Weber charcoal grills are considered as one of the best grills available regarding their design and functions. Weber Original Kettle Charcoal Grill has a durable metal body with rust-resistant vents and hinged grates that give it an overall attractive look. It consists of a built-in lid thermometer allowing the user to monitor the temperature while grilling and enjoying the experience with its excellent cooking ability. To ensure safety, it has lid handles with heat shield as well as porcelain enameled bowl and lid. Apart from that, it is also easy to assemble and easy to use, providing height adjustment while cooking. It also has easy ash removal and is, therefore, easy to clean. At number 3, we have the Shop-Vac 5,986,000 Wet Dry Vacuum. Shop-Vac is known worldwide for manufacturing innovative and high-quality wet dry vacuum cleaners. The Shop-Vac 5,986,000 vacuum is highly proficient at its job. This wet-dry vacuum comes with a 4.5 HP motor, which means an amazing suction power that could pick up dust, dirt and even leaves, pine straws as well as wet debris. This vacuum cleaner comes with a spacious tank with a 5-gallon capacity that can store all wet and dry debris that it picks along the way. It is also much more durable than other vacuum cleaners available on the market because of its stainless steel tank, while other cleaners usually make use of plastic tanks. It is easy to assemble and easy to use. This vacuum cleaner has smooth rolling casters that allow it to move freely and grant it stability, as well as a large filter that does not require frequent cleaning. At number 2, we have the DROCON Drone for beginners. DROCON Drone is excellent for people who have just begun the journey with drone flying. Although it's available at a low cost, it is still very high quality that comes equipped with the drone body itself together with a camera, remote controls, and several replacement parts. It is effortless to assemble as well as easy to use. The takeoff, land button allows the user to simply press a button for the drone to take off the ground and push the very same button for it to land back to it. The most important feature of this DROCON drone is the one-key return button. With this, the users never have to worry about losing their drone, as pressing the button allows the drone to fly back to the user. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kendall Huge Leather Jewelry Box. A big jewelry box that could hold the largest of the collection of jewelry, from necklaces to rings to bangles to earring, all in one place, is also a cool gift idea for the ladies. Not only will it make a beautiful addition to the dresser, but it will also help to keep everything organized. The Kendall leather jewelry box comprises of multiple removable drawers that have numerous compartments, ring slots and fold-out panels that provide ample space to store all sorts of jewelry. The fold-out panels consist of metal clasps and handles that ensure all the pieces stay organized and untangled. It has a sleek, contemporary design with a sturdy body and a black, leather finish. Together with this, it is also exquisitely hand-lined in suede fabric. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.